Hello, good morning students. Now we have start chapter 6 decimals. Look here, concepts in modules. First topic is introduction, second is hundreds, third is fraction as decimals, fourth decimals as fractions, fifth comparing decimals, next decimals in everyday life, next addition of numbers with decimals, next subtraction of decimals, and last point summary. Okay student, now we have start first topic introduction. Look here, show the picture. Look at this. Look at this. Show the picture. First topic, hundreds. Take a square. Let this square represent the one whole unit. Look here. Divide the square into parts. Now divide each rectangle into 10 equal parts. Look here, show the diagram. This represent 1 upon 100 or 1/100 or 0.01. Look here, show the diagram. Okay student. Now example is, write the number 2 ones and 5 tens in decimal form. Look at this. A option is 21.50, B option is 2.05, C option 20.5 and D option 2.5. So correct answer is solution. The number 2 ones and 5 tens in decimal form can be written as, look at this, 2.5. This is 2, this is decimal, and this is 5 tens. In words form, we can say 2.5. Look at this. Okay student. Now test your knowledge. Okay. Write the number 43 and 25 hundredths in decimal form. A option 4325.0, B option 43.25, C option 40.325 and D option 43250.0. Okay. Now click to know the correct answer. 43 and 25 hundredths. Answer is B. Correct answer B option, 43.25. Look at this. Solution is, the number 43 and 25 hundredths in decimal form can be written as, look at this, 43 decimal and 25 hundredths. Okay. Now next topic, fraction as decimals. Okay student, look at this. Fraction with denominator. Wow, that's so easy. But how we will convert fraction into decimal with denominator other than 10, 100 and 1000? Okay, look at this. Show the picture. Now next, for example, let's write 5 upon 2 as a decimal form. Okay student, look at this. Here the denominator is not 10. Find an equivalent fraction with its denominator equal to 10. So 5 upon 2 is equal to 5 multiply 5 upon 2 multiply 5, because denominator is 10, so multiplied by number 5. 5 5 is 25 and 5 2 is 10. Okay student, look at this. Now the denominator is 10, so the fraction can easily be expressed in a decimal form as 25 upon 10 is equal to 2.5. Okay, show the board. Look at this. Now next example, convert 7 upon 4 into decimal. Okay student, look at this. There is no whole number that gives 10 on multiplying with 4. Find an equivalent fraction with its denominator equal to 100. 7 upon 4 is equal to 7 multiply 25 upon 4 multiply 25, because denominator is 100, so multiplied by 25. 7 multiply 25 is equal to 175. 4 multiply 25 is equal to 100. So fraction is 175 upon 100. Now since the denominator becomes 100, the fraction can easily be expressed in a decimal form as 175 upon 100. So convert into decimal form 1.75. Okay student, look at this. Now next example. Okay, conversion of a fraction into decimal form by dividing its numerator by the denominator. Okay student, 5 upon 8 is equal to 5 divided 8. Look at this. Solve the fraction. 8 6 is 48. 50 minus 48 is equal to is remainder 2. Okay. Look at this. 0.6. Now 8 2 is 16. 20 minus 16 is equal to 4. 0. 8 5 is 40. Remainder is 0. So convert into decimal form 0.625. Look at this. Okay student, can we also convert decimal into fraction? Look at this. Yes. Now next topic, decimals as fractions. Okay, consider the decimal number 14.5. Okay student, 14.5 is equal to 14 5 upon 10 is equal to 14 multiplied 10 is equal to 140 plus 5 is equal to 145 upon 10. Decimal fraction. First is a decimal fraction is a fraction where the denominator is a number such as 10, 100, 1000, etc. A decimal number can be considered as a whole number plus a decimal fraction. Okay student, look at this. To convert a decimal into fraction, we can write the expanded form of the decimal and then convert to decimal fraction. Okay, 3.7 is equal to expanded form 3 plus 7 upon 10. 3.7 is equal to 3 plus 7 upon 10. So convert into mixed fraction 3 7 by 10. Look at this. Okay student, what will be the fraction for 3.72? Okay student, look at this. 3.72 is equal to 3 plus 7 upon 10 plus 2 upon 100. This is expanded form. Okay, 3.72 is equal to 3 plus 7 upon 10 plus 2 upon 100 is equal to 372 upon 100. So 372 is divided 4 upon 100 is divided by 4. So convert into mixed form. 3 18 upon 25. 18 for the 72 and 25 for the 100. So solve the expression 318 upon 25. Look at this. Okay, student. Now, next conversion of decimals to fraction. Okay, student. Write the whole number part first. Then write the part less than 1, that is the digits following the decimal point as the numerator of the fraction. Okay. Count the number of digits after decimal. Next, in the denominator of the fraction, write 1 followed by a number of zeros equal to the number of digits after the decimal. Okay. Next, simplify the fraction is required. Okay, student, look at this. More facts on decimals. Look at this. 2 upon 5 is equal to 0.5. Next, 2 upon 6 is equal to 0.33333 and so on. This division ends or terminate. Okay, student, look at this. This division does not end or 3 is repeating itself. Okay, look at this. Okay, student. Now, example is an inch equals about 2.54 centimeters. Convert 2.54 centimeter into fraction form. Okay, student, look at this. Solution is 2.54 in the form of a fraction is expressed as 2.54 is equal to 2 plus 5 upon 10 plus 4 upon 100. This is expanded form is equal to 254 upon 100. So solve the expression. 254 is divided by 2 upon 100 is divided by 2. 27 to the 54 and 50 to the 100. So convert into mixed form to 27 upon 50. Okay, student, look at this. Now, next topic, decimals in everyday life. Okay, decimals in everyday life. Look at this. Show the diagram. Decimals in everyday life. Look here. Comparison in weights, distance covered, average runs, production costs, two candidates, difference between subjects and marks. Look at this. Okay. Thank you.